Maharashtra, Kerala, Punjab, Karnataka, Gujarat, and Tamil Nadu continue to report a high number of fresh COVID-19 cases, and together they account for 85.91% of the new cases of coronavirus infections reported in the country in span of just 24 hours. A total of more than 22,000 new COVID-19 cases were registered in the country in the said period. Maharashtra has reported the highest number of fresh cases at 13,659, which is almost 60% of the number of cases reported in the country, followed by Kerala with more than 2,000 cases, Punjab with more than 1,000 cases, the ministry has said. 8 states in country, including Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Delhi, Gujarat, Karnataka, and Haryana, are displaying an upward trajectory in the number of fresh cases. Meanwhile, Dr. V.K. Paul, member of Niti Aayog panel on health, said, and I quote, "We are very worried about Maharashtra. This is a serious matter. This has 2 lessons. Don't take the virus for granted, and if we have to remain COVID-free, then we need to follow COVID-appropriate behavior." The incident that left West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee hospitalized with multiple bruises and injuries was not an attack but most probably was an accident, the local police's preliminary investigation has found. The report that has been submitted to the Election Commission is not conclusive and the probe team is collecting evidence and questioning eyewitnesses. However, sources said, questions are being raised on the conduct of Banerjee's protection details and their preparedness and handling of the crowd. Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee released a video message a day after she was allegedly attacked, urging people and party workers to remain calm and exercise restraint. The COVID-19 vaccination certificates in the poll-bound states such as West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Assam and Kerala and the Union Territory of Puducherry will not carry a photo of Prime Minister Narendra Modi from now onwards as decided by the Union Health Ministry under the direction of Election Commission of India. This comes days after Trinamool Congress approached the ECI and called PM Modi's photo on vaccination certificates a violation of the Model Code of Conduct. In a complaint ahead of crucial West Bengal elections, the TMC accused PM Modi of stealing the due credit from frontline workers, namely doctors, nurses, and healthcare workers. United Forum of Bank Unions, an umbrella body of 9 unions, have called for a nationwide strike on March 15th and 16th against the central government's move to privatize public sector banks. We have been advised by the Indian Banks Association that United Forum of Bank Unions has given a call for all India strike by bank employees on 15th and 16th of March 2021, SBI said in a regulatory filing on Wednesday, according to Hindustan Times. Prince William on Thursday defended the British royal family after his younger brother Harry and wife Meghan accused them of racism in a bombshell interview watched around the world. "We are very much not a racist family," William told reporters during a visit to a multiracial school in a deprived area of East London. The Duke of Cambridge, son of heir to the throne Prince Charles, added that he had yet to speak to Harry in California since the interview first aired in the United States on Sunday. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, Our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.